Good morning, students. So today we will start with a quick revision of the work that we have done till yet. So we are going to start with the topic electricity. Electricity, it is the most convenient form of energy. Why do we use electricity? Because it can be transmitted to larger distances with small power loss, right? It can be supplied to far away locations easily. From the place where it is generated, वहाँ से ज़्यादा दूर दूर तक इसको हम easily transfer कर सकते हैं. And it is also cheaper from the other forms. It can be easily used at homes, schools and industries. Now what is electricity? It is simply the flow of charges. Now the rate of flow of charge, that means charge flowing per unit time, is known as electric current. Electric current, we can also write it as Q upon T. Q means charge and T means time. So the formula for current is Q upon T, 1 coulomb per second. And 1 coulomb per second can also be written as 1 ampere. It is denoted by capital A. Next topic after current is potential difference. Potential difference, it is simply the carrying of charge from one point to another point in an electric field. It is the work done in taking charge from one point to another point. Also it can be written as V is equals to W upon Q, work done upon the charge. V is the symbol for potential difference. We measure the potential difference by voltmeter, which is always connected in parallel. Its unit is volt, which is designated by capital V. It can also be written as 1 joule per coulomb or 1 volt. Now direction of current. Now current always flows from higher potential to lower potential, that is positive to negative. Current is measured through ammeter, and ammeter is always connected in series. Conductors and insulators. The conductors are the ones which allow the electric current to flow through them, and insulators are the materials which do not allow the electric current to flow through them. Now how can we maintain the potential difference across a conductor? By connecting its two ends with the cell or a battery. Potential difference को हम कैसे maintain कर सकते हैं? Because potential difference is necessary for flow of current. Flow of current circuit में तभी होगा जब potential difference maintain रहेगा. And potential difference can be maintained by cell or a battery. Electrical components and electrical symbols. We all know what are various components that are used in a circuit: cell, bulb, battery, connecting wires, rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter. So all these are the components, and I know you all remember the symbols of it also. The next part is circuits. With the help of these electrical components, we prepare circuits. Circuits are the continuous conducting path consisting of some electrical components connecting between the two terminals of a battery. That means battery is must. It is required for the circuits to carry on. Now next topic is Ohm's law. Ohm's law, at a constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across a conductor. That means the current is directly proportional to potential difference. जितना potential difference होगा उतना ही current flow करेगा, उतनी ही तेजी से current flow करेगा. More is the potential difference, more is the current, and the condition is temperature should be constant. And V is directly proportional to I. So to remove this proportionality sign, we can use a constant which is a resistance, capital R. And resistance can also be written as ohms. Its unit is ohms. And how can we verify this law? We can verify this law by plotting a graph, VI graph, which is always a straight line. If the graph is coming straight, that means this law is verified, because V is directly proportional to I. As you increase the potential difference, the current also increases in equal amounts, which proves that Ohm's law is correct.